Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day because our seeds have arrived. These are from sowrightseeds.com. They've asked us to show you, my viewers, the Homesteaders collection seeds that they have. This is a variety of seeds, 35 packets of seeds. Let me lay them out on this table here. Let me show you what they look like. Oh wow, there's a lot of seeds in here. Wow. This is amazing. Look at this, tomatoes, we got garden peas, carrots, we got two types of carrots here, lettuces, cabbage, radishes, basil, lima beans, Swiss chard, asparagus, peppers, watermelon, we got bush beans, broccoli, we got these cool looking zucchinis around. We got sweet corn, we got melons, beets, what is this, winter squash, these are the butternut squash, marigolds, these are very good for pollinators that come around for your garden, tomatoes, basil, or no, I'm sorry, spinach, arugula, celery, peppers, onions, more pollination, or more flowers here, your zinnias, good for pollination, eggplants, microgreens, cauliflowers, we got cucumbers, man, we got a ton of stuff under here, pumpkins, cilantro, we got microgreens. This is incredible. This is a ton of seeds. These are 35 packets. Now we're going to go to their website. Now I'm going to show you some stuff on there. All right, so here we are at the Sow Right Seeds website. They have a nice selection of vegetables, actually a huge selection of vegetables here, flowers, herbs, cover crops, microgreens, kits, and planters library. Just a wealth of information here of anything you need to know about gardening. And they have a community action tab where they donate seeds to charitable organizations for food banks and things like that, which is very cool. But yeah, they have a nice selection here of everything from vegetables, flowers, herbs, microgreens. If you click on here, the vegetables, really nice selection of vegetables here. Just fantastic. Just page after page after page, really nice. So, about them here, if you go to their About page, it is a family-owned business started by Daryl and Patty. They are the founders, and this is their team here, and they put together a really nice website with a really great selection of seeds that they offer. And the kits here, if you click on that, it'll bring you to their starter kits. If you want to start a basil, they have a basil starter kit here, even for cats, herbs for cats like catnip and all that. Cilantro, classic tomatoes, herb garden and herb tea starter kits, Italian herbs, a large microgreen starter kit, lavender, mixed peppers, perennial, flower, great for pollinating, to bring in your pollinators like bees, of course, to your garden. They have a salad microgreen starter kit, spicy microgreens, that sounds actually interesting, and superfood starter kit, really nice. Now, all their seeds are high quality, non-GMO heirloom seeds. So, fantastic. And now, if you click up here at on the search box and type in Homesteaders collection, it'll bring you to this page right here. These are the seeds I got. Just a really nice selection of herbs, vegetables, vegetables more for your summer and more for fall and winter growing, especially for us down here in Texas. You get your also flowers like your marigolds and zinnia. Of to attract your bees. I mean, they thought of everything here. You got all types of herbs and lettuces and microgreens. Really nice. And you can't beat that price. $35 for 35 seeds. That is $1 a pack. You just can't beat that. All right, so in the description, I'm going to put a referral link. If you use that link to purchase anything on their website, we get a small percentage, and it helps us out in the channel here, and I greatly appreciate it. If you use PeteB10 on the at checkout, you'll get 10% off on your purchase. All right, guys, so that should really help you out a lot. So you're getting a fantastic deal. Get whatever you want on the website, but if you get this Homesteaders collection, you're getting a super huge deal. $1 a packet. I mean, you can't beat that. And 10% off you're going to get. All right, guys, so thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.